Project Scantronic 9651 Alarm System Replacement. New panel, Eaton Ion 10 with new keypad. Installed and programmed using existing sensors and siren. Project location, North London. Isolation, switched off the main 240 VAC power at the fused spur. De-energize, opened the old panel, triggering tamper, and immediately disconnected the internal standby battery to completely de-energize the locked system. Removal, disconnected all labeled wires and safely removed the old Scantronic 9651 control panel and keypad. Installation, mounted the new Eaton Ion 10 control panel and installed the new keypad using a 4-wire bus connection. Rewiring, re-terminated all zone cables, fitting the required end-of-line EOL resistors specific to the Ion 10 panel. Connected the external sounder wires. Power up. Reconnected the new standby battery and restored the 240 VAC mains power. Programming. Accessed the engineer menu. Code 7890 and performed full commissioning, including addressing the new keypads, defining all zone attributes, e.g., entry, exit, instant, setting system timers and signaling. Handover. Tested the entire system and provided the user with guidance on how to arm, disarm, and change user codes on the new Eaton Ion 10 system. Contact SatFocus Security Solutions for alarm installation, /upgrade /repair /services. 0208 4227 91 8 satfocussecurity.co.uk